Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Audi S4 3.0T Prestige. It's a quattro. It's a whole lot of engine under there. I love this little V6. It does have painted alloy wheels. And it has a heads-up display in the windshield. Dual exhaust. Does have a sunroof, red quilted leather seats, super sporty. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. And you can't see it in the daylight, but you can in the garage. I'll include a picture of it, but it does broadcast, or excuse me, project an Audi logo beneath the doors. This one does have the Bang & Olufsen stereo. See that you only have 3,100 miles on this vehicle. Come over here so you can hear me better. Turn that down. It does have paddle shifters in this model. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the stereo down so you can hear me all the way. Okay, so you have your push to talk, and you can set up your navigation with your voice, and you can also control your display here with that. Very, very cool. Okay, and it does have heated seats, which on a day like today where it's just right at freezing is very nice. Come down here, you got your cup holders, your drive select, your parking sensors, additional power supplies, push button start. And then this is set up very similar to a mouse pad. Your navigation, your radio, telephone, media, and then you've got your shifter and your volume and channel control, additional stowage, and you can put your phone here and it'll charge it. Okay, as you come up here, you've got your map reading lights and your controls for your sunroof. So let's go ahead and close this up. And we will jump over to your stereo options. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and bump right over to the navigation map. Telephone, it wants to connect to my phone. We'll let it connect to yours. Here's your back to your radio, and then also you can put on your backup camera by putting it in reverse. This shows almost like a satellite image, but it shows from your other cameras down, and then you can see that you do have guides as you back up. Go ahead and put that back in park. Set our park brake. That about wraps it up for this Audi. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact that affected these front three panels. So this back center panel. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. So you're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.